Welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the market technical view. Nifty range consolidation continues, nearing to the climax for the range breakout or breakdown. Nifty tests 18,940 intraday, saw a profit booking to close at 18,755. Major supports placed at 18,680 and 18,600, resistance at 18,940 and 19,000 levels. The range being 18,600 to 18,950. Nifty sustaining above 18,940 may head higher levels. On the other hand, Nifty if breaks 18,640, we might test 18,500. Bank Nifty showing signs of weakness, testing 44,000 on a intraday basis. In the morning session, saw a profit booking to close at 43,600. Index, if sustains above 44,200, can head higher levels. Below 43,200, can see more weakness. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe if you are watching the video for the first time, and take care. Happy investing and trading. Thank you.